Welcome to the WunderTrading channel. We're glad to have you here today as we introduce our new trading strategy. A new bot that uses volume as the primary trading indicator. With this method, you'll be able to make more accurate and profitable trades. So without further delay, let's dive into exploring the capabilities of our new bot. We hope you find this video informative. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you want to see more free strategies. Let's look at our volume strategy. Volume is a technical analysis indicator that measures the amount of buying or selling over a period of time. It is often used in combination with price analysis to help traders confirm trends and make informed trading decisions. Higher trading volume usually indicates increased market interest and can be a sign of a potential reversal or continuation of a trend. The Wunder Volume bot uses volume as its primary trading indicator, allowing traders to make more accurate and profitable trades by analyzing trade volume data. To confirm entry signals, we also use the 200 exponential moving average to determine the overall trend of the asset. This type of moving average gives more weight to recent data, making it more sensitive to short-term price movements. By combining the EMA with our volume-based trading strategy, we can make more informed trading decisions and increase our chances of success in the market. So, let's look closer at the entrance points on the chart. To enter the long position, we need to ensure that the volume is higher than the sliding average for a given number of bars multiplied by the multiplier. That is, if the factor is equal to 2, then the volume should be 2 times higher than the volume for a given number of bars. To confirm the signal, the price should also be higher than 200 EMA. To enter a short position, we also need to ensure that the volume is higher than the sliding average, but the price should be lower than 200 EMA. So, let's try a global backtest. Based on this, we see that the strategy is very consistent, with a high percentage of profitable trades and a very small drawdown. In fact, this strategy is universal and works on almost all assets, but for some, you should change the parameters a bit and automatize on more than 10 assets. Now let's take a look at our strategy settings. First of all, you can choose the direction of your trades. Here you can choose whether to open only long or only short strategies. Then you can adjust additional filters. EMA on one of the time frames or high/low filter that looks for the lowest or highest value on the chart for a given period. This strategy uses take profit and stop loss levels based on the ATR. You also have the option to change the mode to a trailing stop after the first take profit or use the classic fixed take profit and stop loss levels. Below you can see the key strategy settings needed to filter signals by volume. Look back, which is the number of bars for your analysis, the length of the moving average, and volume multiplier. EMA acts as a filter so you can change the values depending on the selected asset. In addition to the indicators already mentioned, we have used our own optimization system. The next block we use is the optimization block, which includes capital management settings. The system calculates the volume per trade so that your loss is limited to the risk you set. You can change it depending on your risk preferences. Another important parameter is the volume in contracts. By turning this parameter on or off, you will change the calculation of the position that you will see on the graph. It will be either in contracts or dollars. This is done in order to properly transfer the volume to the WunderTrading platform. The last block of settings is related to comments from the WunderTrading platform, which we need to automate our strategy. Okay, let's automate our strategy and turn it into a trading bot. First of all, we need to switch to the WunderTrading platform. Select the My Bots tab and click Add New. Write down the name of the bot, select your exchange and the API you want to trade with, and select the time frame and pair you plan to trade on. For our strategy, the function, custom amount sent from TradingView, is important, so we will switch it on. We will use it to transfer the volume in dollars for each trade. And since we will be transferring the volume in dollars, we need to turn off the calculation of the volume for contracts in TradingView strategy settings. The backtest will not be correct, but on the other hand, we will correctly send the volume in dollars. The next thing you need to do is copy and paste the comments into the strategy settings. Let's do it. The final step to creating your bot with WunderTrading is to create an alert that will send this comment to the WunderTrading platform. Click on the Create Alert button and add a message from your bot settings, add a webhook. Create an alert. Return to the platform and save your bot. That's all. You can add this script from the link in the description and also automate it with WunderTrading. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.